Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem of two-step verification not sending email or code via telephone. So that button that you're seeing right here to send code, you do not have to click at all. Then you have to try another method, as you can see here, via email or via recovery code. I not have that option to try, but you have to go and try it. And then if none of that works, you should simply have to go to the App Store to download a VPN. And once you have a VPN, then you have to, well, of course it can be any VPN that you want, but you have to download anyone. And then you just have to open the application, and then you just have to follow the simple steps to do the VPN work, and the problem should be solved. If none of these work, if none of these three solutions work, I highly recommend you to contact the Roblox support and send them a message explaining them why you have this problem, and I am sure that they will help you and they will make you to solve your problem. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment if you liked.